In 2025, the global markets are buzzing with opportunity, high inflation, rapid tech advancements, and a booming demand for clean energy. But here's the catch. Navigating these waters isn't easy. The winners? They're harder to spot than ever before. So, how do you grow your portfolio and keep risks in check? In this video, I'm revealing the top 6 high-growth ETFs that are primed for success in 2025. Stick around, because I'll also show you an ETF that could turn your $100,000 into an income-generating machine. As Warren Buffett once said, opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. Let's dive into why ETFs are a game-changer in 2025. Imagine having access to a basket of investments, stocks, bonds, or even specific industries, all in one neat package. Not only do they offer low-cost diversification, but they also let you tap into emerging trends like clean energy, tech innovation, and smart infrastructure without breaking the bank. Remember Buffett's words, "Diversification is protection against ignorance." With ETFs, you're not betting on one stock. You're making a calculated play across multiple companies and industries. Here's the real power of ETFs. They spread your investments across multiple companies, making your portfolio safer while still giving you exposure to high-growth sectors. For instance, instead of relying on a single clean energy stock, you're investing in a range of businesses driving the sustainability revolution. This ensures your investments are prepared for both market volatility and long-term growth. As Buffett wisely observed, someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Investing in ETFs today can be that tree for your future. Harry, let's look at what's been happening in the markets. Recently, the NASDAQ surged over 3%, the Dow Jones climbed 3.1%, and the S&P 500 added 2.5%. But here's what's even more exciting. Big tech companies like Nvidia and Google posted gains between 3% to 4%, while Tesla skyrocketed nearly 15%. Even more surprising, financial stocks saw incredible momentum, with JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and Bank of America rallying between 10% and 15%. These moves remind us of Buffett's philosophy: be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. With markets surging like this, smart investors know how to position themselves for long-term gains. If you were to invest $100,000 today in one of these ETFs, which has delivered a historical average growth rate, your investment could grow to an impressive $26.7 million over 30 years, with annual dividends of $267,000. Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD. The Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD, is designed to track the performance of high-dividend-yielding U.S. stocks. SCHD trades at approximately $29.53 per share. The fund boasts a low expense ratio of 0.06%, making it an attractive option for cost-conscious investors. SCHD's portfolio comprises 100 dividend-paying U.S. equities, selected based on fundamental strength relative to their peers. The top holdings include BlackRock, 4.34%, Cisco Systems, 4.39%, and The Home Depot, 4.22%. Each representing significant portions of the fund's assets. Over the past 10 years, SCHD has achieved a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of approximately 12.15% in total returns, indicating a strong trend in both capital appreciation and dividend growth. The fund offers a dividend yield of 3.33% with an annual payout of 98 cents per share. The payout ratio is approximately 60%, suggesting a balanced approach between distributing earnings to shareholders and retaining funds for future growth. Assuming a $100,000 investment in SCHD. After 10 years, the investment could grow to approximately $231,738, with annual dividends around $22,487. After 20 years, the investment could reach around $537,621 with annual dividends of approximately $52,131. After 30 years, the investment could grow to approximately $1,247,808 with annual dividends of around $120,844. SCHD's strategy of investing in fundamentally strong, high-dividend yielding companies offers investors the potential for both capital appreciation and a growing income stream. Its low expense ratio further enhances its appeal as a core holding for those seeking long-term growth and reliable dividend income. SPDR Portfolio, S&P 500 Growth ETF, SPGP. The Invesco, S&P 500 GARP ETF, SPGP, is designed to track approximately 75 securities within the S&P 500 index that exhibit strong growth at reasonable valuations. The fund's top holdings include United Airlines Holdings, Inc., 3.37%, NVIDIA Corporation, 3.32%, and EOG Resources, Inc., 2.24%. SPGP has demonstrated robust performance with a 10-year compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 14.04%. The ETF offers a dividend yield of 1.29% with an annual dividend of $1.45 per share. The payout ratio stands at 22.03%, indicating a conservative approach to dividend distributions. Assuming a consistent annual return of 14.04%, a $100,000 investment in SPGP could grow to approximately $370,000 after 10 years. $1.37 million? After 10 years? 20 years? And $5.1 million after 30 years. The annual dividends from this investment would be around $4,800 after 10 years, $17,800 after 20 years, and $66,000 after 20 years. 30 years, assuming dividends are reinvested and grow at the same rate as the investment. SPGP's focus on companies with high growth scores and reasonable valuations positions it as a compelling option for investors seeking growth potential within the S&P 500. Its disciplined investment strategy and historical performance make it a noteworthy consideration for long-term portfolios. First, trust NASDAQ. Clean Edge, Smart Grid Infrastructure. Index Fund, ETF, Grid. The First Trust. NASDAQ. Clean Edge. Smart Grid Infrastructure. Index Fund, Grid, is an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that seeks to replicate the performance of the NASDAQ OMX Clean Edge Smart Grid Infrastructure Index. As of the latest data, Grid's top holdings include Eaton Corporation plc, 8.65%, Johnson Controls International plc, 8.23%, Schneider Electric SE, 8.16%, ABB Ltd, 7.77%, and National Grid plc, 7.66%. These companies are integral to the smart grid infrastructure, providing products and services essential for modernizing and enhancing the efficiency of electrical grids. The ETF has a total net asset value of approximately $1.88 billion and an expense ratio of 0.57%. Over the past decade, Grid has delivered a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of around 12%, reflecting the growing emphasis on renewable energy and smart grid technologies. The fund's dividend yield stands at 1.11%, with a payout ratio that indicates a balanced approach between distributing income to investors and reinvesting in the fund. Assuming a consistent annual return of 12%, a $100,000 investment in Grid could grow to approximately $310,585 after 10 years, $964,629 after 10 years, 20 years, and $2,998,469 after 30 years. The annual dividends from this investment would be around $3,416 after 10 years, $10,611 after 20 years, and $32,983 after 30 years. 30 years, assuming dividends are reinvested and grow at the same rate as the investment. Grid's focus on companies at the forefront of smart grid and electric infrastructure positions it as a compelling option for investors seeking exposure to the evolving energy sector. Its diversified holdings across key industry players provide a balanced approach to capturing growth in this dynamic market. iShares U.S. Broker-dealers and Securities Exchanges ETF, IAI. The iShares U.S. Broker-Dealers and Securities Exchanges ETF, IAI, offers investors targeted exposure to U.S. investment services, including broker-dealers, securities exchanges, and related firms. As of the latest data, IAI's top holdings comprise the Goldman Sachs Group, Inc., 14.05%, S&P Global Inc., 13.22%, Morgan Stanley, 12.44%, the Charles Schwab Corporation, 4.79%, and Coinbase Global Inc., 4.75%. Over the past decade, IAI has achieved a compound annual growth rate, and CAGR, of approximately 14.60%, reflecting the robust performance of the U.S. financial services sector. The ETF provides a dividend yield of 1.14% with a price-to-earnings (PE) ratio of 26.28, indicating a balanced approach between income generation and growth potential. Assuming a consistent annual return of 14.60%, a $100,000 investment in IAI could grow to approximately $388,000 after 10 years, $1,505,000 after 20 years, and $5,840,000 after 30 years. The annual dividends from this investment would be around $4,423. After 10 years, $17,150 after 20 years, and $66,576 after 20 years. 30 years, assuming dividends are reinvested and grow at the same rate as the investment. IAI's focus on leading U.S. broker-dealers and securities exchanges positions it as a compelling option for investors seeking exposure to the financial services sector. Its diversified holdings across key industry players provide a balanced approach to capturing growth in this dynamic market. Global X MSCI Argentina ETF, ARGT. The Global X MSCI Argentina ETF, ARGT, offers investors targeted exposure to Argentine equities, aiming to mirror the performance of the MSCI All Argentina 2550 Index. This index encompasses large and mid-cap companies operating in Argentina, providing a comprehensive view of the nation's equity market. As of the latest data, ARGT's top holdings include Mercado Libre, Incoterm 21.23%, YPF Sociedad Anónima 9.48%, Grupo Financiero Galicia S.A. 7.58%, Banco Macro S.A. 5.02%, and Pampa Energía S.A. 4.77%. These companies represent key sectors such as e-commerce, energy, and financial services, reflecting Argentina's diverse economic landscape. Over the past 3 years, ARGT has delivered an average annual return of approximately 44.54%, indicating strong performance in the Argentine market. The ETF's dividend yield stands at 1.01%, offering modest income alongside capital appreciation. The fund's expense ratio is 0.59%, aligning with industry standards for emerging market ETFs. Assuming a consistent annual return of 44.54%, a $100,000 investment in ARGT could grow to approximately $644,000 after 10 years, $4.15 million after 20 years, and $26.7 million after 30 years. The annual dividends from this investment would be around $6,500 after 10 years, $41,500 after 20 years, and $267,000 after 20 years. 30 years, assuming dividends are reinvested and grow at the same rate as the investment. ARGT's focus on leading Argentine companies positions it as a compelling option for investors seeking exposure to this emerging market. Its diversified holdings across key sectors provide a balanced approach to capturing growth opportunities within Argentina's evolving economy. ProShares, Ultra Dow 30 ETF, DDM. The ProShares Ultra Dow 30 ETF, DDM, seeks to provide twice the daily performance of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, making it a leveraged fund designed for short-term trading strategies. The DJIA comprises 30 large-cap U.S. companies, including United Health Group Incorporated, 6.51%, the Goldman Sachs Group, Incoterm, 5.97%, and Microsoft Corporation, 4.69%. As of December 7, 2024, DDM has achieved a year-to-date return of 36.57% and a one-year return of 49.55%. The ETF offers a dividend yield of 1.08%, providing investors with income alongside potential capital appreciation. Assuming a consistent annual return of 14.95%, a $100,000 investment in DDM could grow to approximately $403,000 after 10 years, $1,625,000 after 10 years, 20 years, and $6,550,000 after 30 years. The annual dividends from this investment would be around $4,360 after 10 years, $17,600 after 20 years, and $70,800 after 20 years. 30 years, assuming dividends are reinvested and grow at the same rate as the investment. DDM's leveraged exposure to the DJIA makes it suitable for investors seeking amplified returns from large-cap U.S. equities. However, due to the nature of leveraged funds, it is essential to understand the associated risks and monitor the investment regularly. So there you have it. The top 6 high-growth ETFs that can help you grow your portfolio in 2025 and beyond. These ETFs offer a mix of dividend income, capital appreciation, and exposure to the world's most exciting trends, from clean energy to emerging markets and smart technologies. The choice is now in your hands. Will you take the steps today to build the financial future you've always dreamed of? Remember, as Warren Buffett wisely said, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. It's your turn to plant that tree." If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content designed to help you make smart investment choices. And if you want to dive deeper, check out the next video on the screen. It's packed with actionable strategies to maximize your returns. Thank you for watching, and here's to building a wealthier, brighter future. See you next time.